Hey guys, welcome to Study Scoopers. So this is my first video on Study Scooper on crop prediction and management, which is being divided into 3 parts. And before we start our video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notifications when I upload my new videos. So let's begin. So today we are going to learn crop prediction and management, which is being divided into 3 parts, and this is the first part, and you'll be getting the next 2 parts in the further videos. So let's begin. So what are these all? These all what you could see here are crops. Now we get hundreds of doubts. What are crops? How are they classified? In what basis are they classified? Why are they classified? And hundreds of doubts. And these all doubts will be clear in the crop prediction and management chapter. So let's begin. So first let's know what is crop. So crops are the plants that are grown in large quantities and in a large area of same kind, or it may be different. So these examples of crops are as wheat, rice, potatoes, and not only on these, all the plants are crop when they are grown in large quantity and in a large area. And who grows these all crops? These all crops are being grown by farmers. So to say you guys, like when we grow plants in our home, we doesn't call it a crop. Why? Because crops are being grown in large quantities and in a large area, then only we call it as a crop. You could see in this figure that it is a very large area, very large field where farmers have grown in a large quantity the crops. So these are called as a crops. So now crops are being classified into 2 types. Those are the kharif crops and the rabi crops. Now first let's know some of the examples of these crops, then we'll go for the further differentiation. So the kharif crops contains rice or paddy, maize, millets, soya bean, cotton, and there are many more. And for rabi crops, we have wheat, we have barley, we have oats, we have pulses, mustard, and then many more. So now we have learned some of the examples of these. Now let's go and differentiate them so we'll be clear about these kharif crops and rabi crops. So kharif crops and rabi crops are being differentiated on the basis of their seasons, their durations, and why are those that these both crops are grown only in the specific season. So these all doubts will be clear in this differentiation column. So the kharif crops season is the rainy season. It means that kharif crops are being grown in rainy season, and compared to that, the rabi crops are being grown in winter seasons. And the duration of kharif and rabi crops. First let's know these the name of the crops. So these crops, the kharif crops are also called as the monsoon crops, whereas the rabi crops are also called as the winter crops or spring crops. And the duration tells us about the sowing, when they get ready, and when they be harvested.